Hey, it's Monday, it's energy, better than yesterday's energy. Perhaps a little bit over the top there. Doing a quick Zoom call with a great friend and entrepreneur, Susan. So we've got the Zoom call ready to go here, and we are ready to smash this today. So kind of ready to help her with her website and stuff and vlog. So she'll be on the call in a moment, and we can kind of crack on with this. And yes, energy, sun's out, let's do this. Every day, bro, as Charlotte said. She watched the video by Jake Paul this morning, and her reaction was just wow, but not in a good way. She also watched the Casey Neistat video of Do What You Can't, and interesting reaction to that. So we've just seen the video Do What You Can't by Casey. What do you think of it?
Because he tells me if I can't suck my thumb, I can't suck anything. It's true. That's exactly what he meant.
I know. It's kind of sort of undermined everything, really.
It means like if somebody says, after watching this video, you can't pick your nose. You can't pick your nose.
Yeah, I'm sure that wasn't Casey's original point, but I can see your angle on that. That's a very wise point. Kids are tying me up in logic now, which is
I do what I can't.
Casey. Way too much energy this morning. Don't understand why. One coffee and I just can't stop singing. It's every day, bro. So yeah, loving it. I think it must be something to do with the sun. I don't know, but yeah, woke up this morning feeling good, can't even speak. Feeling energized and ready to rock the week. This week, things will rock and start and ting and all that sort of good stuff. So just yeah, I love it. I'm obviously I must have a degree of manicness, or maybe an element of I don't want to particularly say bipolar, but maybe there is a degree of it with me, because I'm certainly very, very up or very, very down. But I'll make the most of it this week. Be very, very up. Smash this. Let's do this. Looking forward to this week. Okay. Monday afternoon. Right, so Charlotte?
Yeah?
Jamie? What are we up to now?
We're just having a walk.
Where are we walking?
I really don't know.
Oh.
In the middle of nowhere.
In the middle of nowhere.
In the field. A house is just over there. Seriously. In the middle of nowhere.
You're spoiling the illusion of we're in the middle of nowhere. We can't say we're in the middle of nowhere, but the house is just there.
Yeah, in the middle of nowhere.
But just home is just there.
In the middle of nowhere still.
Right, okay, let's go for
a walk.
Right, let's do this. This is where we are. Beautiful.
We're in the middle of nowhere.
Beautiful. Oh, there she is.
Sorry, but we're actually going on. The only reason we're going on for a walk is because we're videoing.
This is true. This is true, actually.
We're in the middle of nowhere.
But don't say that too loud, otherwise you might disrupt the people who live in the house. It's just there. See, filming isn't quite. It's not quite. It's all the illusion. It's all the illusion. Let's do it that way, otherwise you can see the houses.
I'm always cold.
It's Jamie. Look, this Charlotte's cold, and Jamie, no coat. Are you cold?
No.
So.
Jamie, he hasn't got any vest. He hasn't got any coat. He's got a trousers and that and shoes.
Yeah, exactly. But he's not cold. But you are cold.
Yeah, I'm cold.
But you are twins. You are twins. So you should be exactly the same.
I got vest. I got a dress. I've got tights and I've got this. Let's see what's there.
And what?
But you're always warm. And I am still cold.
Wow. So remember, we've got to be quiet because the monsters in the forest.
Hallelujah! I'm not listening to Daddy.
Right, now Jamie. Earlier on, I showed Charlotte a video, and it was called "Do What You Can't." And what was your outcome of "Do What You Can't"?
So Because they said don't suck it down, do what you can at home.
Yeah, they sort of missed the point of that. But I'll show you the video later, Jamie. And we'll see how that goes. If I start to breathe heavily, it's because of how unfit I am.
Because you have to go to Charlie's vlog and subscribe to my 7 or 8 videos.
Important. And Jamie, what's your take on this?
I have not made my new channel yet. Goodbye.
There we go.
Hello, giraffe. Yay!
It's not a competition. Do you remember what you have to do to actually have a channel? Make videos. Not getting it at all. Apparently homework is the responsible parent thing to say do. Thoughts?
2 hours a day.
That's what's supposed to be doing. So what should we do? Should we do 2 hours a day?
I hope not, but that's what we have to do.
Oh, so we're now going to the bridge I went to yesterday. And you can see how different it is in this much nicer light. Gorgeous, gorgeous golden hour light. Same bridge, just same bridge really. Jamie, do you like the bridge? It's amazing how you can get content out of a bridge. Have a look here. See, look, beautiful. How much more content can you get out of traffic? It is truly amazing. But the sun is probably a good hour, 2 hours away from setting. Charlotte's not happy about the bridge, so we're going to overcome the fear of the bridge. Let's turn this into overcoming fear of the bridge for the kids. So, how do you feel, Charlotte?
I feel still scared.
Oh, do you feel a bit better now? Feel a bit better?
Tiny bit.
Tell them how do you feel?
80% scared and 20% not scared.
That's an improvement of 20%. So, did you enjoy the bridge? Was it exciting? Clearly, it's not as exciting as, you know, a bridge can go. But, you know, 0 funds this week. What do you do? Let's go and see the bridge. Apparently down here is a unicorn.
Well, it's not a real unicorn, but I still believe it's real.
Ah, what sort of unicorn is it?
Close your eyes and find out.
So this has been our little walk in the countryside. We've seen the sunset, we've seen traffic, we've seen the bridge, we've seen it all! And it's amazing. So we've got some lovely pictures actually. So this sometimes it's just about spending the time together. We're gonna hit the bridge now. We're gonna hit the big time bridge. We're gonna rock this. Oh, well here comes my little bear. Are you ready for the bridge?
No.
You can do this. Okay, let's do the bridge. You hold hands. Hold in. Let's go. Ready for the big bridge. The big scary bridge. Right. Charles a little bit nervous about the bridge, but we're going to overcome those fears. As Cody Warner would say, let's get this. Let's do this. Look at all the... See? How are you feeling, Charlotte?
No, not really good.
Feeling good?
No.
Look, it's fine. It's totally fine. Look at the lovely sunset. See, look. This is my life. If you like it, hopefully you do. If you want to kind of share the journey of dragging my on its arse business back to reality by being me and being honest, I'd love you to join that journey by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Leave me a like if you did like this video. It's a bit sort of unusual from my normal videos. And me a comment on how much you liked it or if you didn't like it or anything. But for now, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.